What if I told you one of the most iconic pieces of every car guy's childhood could become one of the coolest car mods? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this old saggy headliner and we're gonna replace it with a car rug. So this is the car rug that we ordered off of Amazon. You guys remember playing with these as a kid. So basically what we're trying to do is take this and make a headliner. What are those rugs called that you buy? Those washable ones?
Ruggable.
So I thought it was like a ruggable, maybe thin, and I was like, okay, maybe I mount this. I feel like it's too thick, so this isn't gonna work. So guess what? The kids have a car rug now. So this one was a fail right here. But the one that we are using, I will link in the description below. So if you guys want to order it, it's on Amazon. And it's actually way cheaper than this rug because I think this rug was like 50 bucks. I don't even know what you actually call this stuff. It's like car rug, car town rug, racetrack rug. I don't know. So I figured since we have to replace a headliner, we might as well do something cool. So that's what we're going to do. So before we get started on this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick garage update. We got the Eclipse, which is good for now. Laura's bus needs brakes. GT500, still waiting on the engine. The forgotten C10. Just left over here in the corner, still forgotten. I mean, even the engine's sitting over here, forgotten. We will get back to it. Malibu needs a new carb. The Fiero, sold it. That one's my mom's car, and it's been here for a while, so she doesn't drive anymore. And all the way in the back, the RV, it's broke, needs a water pump belt. So the 68 Camaro, flat tire, and needs a wash really bad. Have you noticed the pattern? Everything's broke. But the Civic is fine. So the F-250 and the Civic, that's basically what you've been driving.
Rotors on the F-250?
Yeah, the F-250 I do need to replace the front brakes and rotors. So you can kind of feel a little on the pedal when you apply the brakes. So I think that's where our shake is coming from. But yeah, we've got a lot of vehicles, but none of them work. We got to get to installing this headliner. I ordered this one off of Amazon. It's supposed to be a washable, and I thought it was going to be thin enough, but I don't think this one's going to be like thin enough to attach to the roof because you're going to use spray adhesive and then attach this to the roof. So I thought it was what? It's got a what?
Like a kind of a rubbery bottom?
Yeah, it's got like this, I don't know, that's not going to work. I ordered on Amazon more of like a fabric material, and I think that's going to work more gooder. You know something else that would be cool to do that I've been wanting to do to this car so bad? Because, you know, we're doing this nostalgia stuff with the old car rug, but take it back to like our high school days, sound system, sub amp. Kids have never heard anything like that in a car.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, I'm not going to go as crazy as I did when we were younger, but like it would be cool just to put like 212s.
What would you put it in? The Eclipse?
The Eclipse, maybe the Civic. I think the Eclipse would be a cool car to put it in. We could do both cars.
Yeah, like vibrated everything.
Yeah.
Mirror would go sideways.
So I am only mentioning this because I did kind of forget some stuff. We take it back to early 2000s, sound system and the Eclipse. It's the perfect car for it. As I get older, I don't know, like I feel like I'm like liking all these older vehicles because everything we have is like older. Even my Mustang is a 2008. What is going on with mommy's face? You've got chocolate on yours. Were you eating chocolate?
I was eating a chocolate K-pop from Starbucks that you got me.
Oh, wow. And then mommy's got chicken pox? No, that's not a good look. That's not a good look.
Contagious.
Well, we're going to just start the video now. Welcome back to another Joyride video.
You're going to get some.
Yeah.
Oh, grab that one.
Oh, did it fall? Yeah, these things.
If the little ones were...
Since we have to replace a headliner, we might as well do something cool. So that's what we're going to do. What a nasty day. But good thing is we can do stuff in the garage. Got the Civic pulled in here. The Eclipse. This garage is pretty full. See this headliner? See how awful this thing looks? Saggy, sun visors, got holes in them. This one over here's got rips in it. And then look at the front of this up here. It just looks awful. We're gonna pull this out. Some of you guys have probably already noticed in the Eclipse, it's got a custom headliner in it. So we're gonna do the same thing in the Civic. The one in Civic I think might be a little bit cooler what we're gonna do in it. Hopefully it's gonna work out. But in the Eclipse, let's see if you guys can tell me what this is in the comments. See how many of you guys actually know what it is. We're gonna do something similar to this, and then after we do it, get the kids' reaction. I'm gonna show the kids and see what they think of it. But I ordered this off of Amazon. This is what we got. So you guys probably remember this stuff. So we are gonna take it back to our childhood and Go with the old car town rug. Got to do something cool. Life's too short to drive boring cars. I do have a box right here. These are new sun visors. And then these little clips. These things break easy. It's already broke. It doesn't even clip in. Look at that. That's pretty bad. There we go. And then just pull that up. Yeah, we don't want to lose these. What's up, dude? Thought I heard somebody pull up outside.
No, it's ghosts.
Ghost? Yeah, dude, I think we do have ghosts. So this is what I'm doing. Headliner.
Oh yeah.
Well, the original one that I ordered was actual carpet, and it was way too thick. So I ordered this, and
Preview.
oh yeah, it's thinner. This is an actual fabric.
It feels like felt almost.
And then here's the new sun visor. Oh,
Nice.
yeah, there's the new ones.
Cool.
So the old ones, they're pretty janky, dude. They got tears in them.
Hey, janky.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, easy with the language, dude. We're on YouTube.
Excuse my language. Kid friendly.
Yeah, and you're supposed to be a school teacher?
I was. I'm not anymore.
Yeah, he got fired.
I didn't get fired.
No, I'm just kidding.
For medical reasons.
Medical reason?
Yeah, I had to get that surgery.
Yeah.
Couldn't get extended leave.
But now that you got your surgery, James was Jamie. Now Jamie is James. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put this in. But first, I've just got to get everything apart. But yeah, this is gonna be a lot more gooder than the old stuff. So if anybody's wondering, this is the adhesive that we're using. Now that I got you here, I got a cameraman.
Hold your camera for a sec. Let me go get it.
I should have grabbed my. Whoa. There went a screw. All right, so the Phillips. See, the good thing about making YouTube videos, when you start taking stuff apart and you can't remember where it goes, you can always go back and look at your footage. You can already see the headliner starting to come down a little bit. Since I got this thing out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up.
Wow.
Oh, I bet you once we clean that, it's gonna be a lot brighter. No, it don't work.
It's not plugged in. It's not going to work.
You're so gullible, James.
It's a good time to do that. For the most part, yep.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna slide it.
There she goes.
Take all of this off.
Shred it. The fun part, you get to tear stuff up.
Yeah, because we're gonna keep the cardboard.
Yeah.
When we redo the headliner.
Yeah, the factory mold. Yep.
There we go.
Huh. Now, as far as gluing it, are you just going to straight glue it to the material, or are you going to put like a layer or something like that underneath it first?
No, I'm gonna just glue it straight to this.
Okay.
The material that we're putting on is a lot thicker than this material.
Is that a square piece?
Yeah, it's a square.
So it doesn't
piece
matter which
that
way you lay it for length.
Yeah. Dude, this is gonna look so cool.
You know what I mean? Your leftover.
Right. This is gonna look so sick. Best thing to do before we cut it is probably glue it first, then cut it after it's glued on. Cut the edges.
Yeah, glue it down first. That way, if anything happens, you know you're covered.
Quick little update on this. We're waiting for this section to dry right here because it was a little lifted, so I had to peel it back, and then I just notched all these holes for the dome light, and then the visors. Once that's done, we're gonna flip this, fold it over, and I actually had to run out to Lowe's and get another can. And now everything's folded over, all the holes. It doesn't look the prettiest on the back side, but you're never gonna see it. How does it look?
Looks pretty solid. Dude. I think you should put the other side in first. Yeah, because that's the rear. In we go.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to pop all these panels in, and then I will show you guys the finished product once it's all done. It's been a couple days since we did this to the Civic, and I haven't showed any of the kids, so I want to get their reactions. Now, I did mention to them about doing this. Here, you wait right there. You can open that door. There you go. Just sit in the car. Tell me if you notice anything. What do you think, bud? Huh? What do you think of that?
It looks better than the older.
You remember the old one?
No, I forgot it.
You don't remember how it was hanging down and all that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like down to here.
Yep, in the back it was hanging down and the pieces would drop and all that. You think that's pretty cool?
Yeah.
It's coolest headliner you've ever seen? What do you think Logan's gonna think of it? I'm about to go pick him up. He's at Hendrix's house. You think he's gonna like it? You wanna go get Lena? Just getting the kids' reactions is awesome. So that's something I've been trying to do, is just involve the kids in like anything I do to the cars. But something like this, that's actually pretty cool. I remember when I was a kid, I had one of those little car rugs. My kids have them now. So Liam just went to go grab Lena. We're gonna show her, see what Lena thinks of it. See if we have her approval. Okay. I need your approval for something, because I'm making a video. Remember you said you wanted to make a video? Oh yeah. Well, you look very pretty and nice. Did you see something? What is that? Is that cool?
I feel the fur.
Do you think it's cool?
Yeah.
What do you think Logan's gonna think?
I found someone's cleat. Oh, this is Logan's. No, it's a shin guard.
I think the next modification we need to do is a sound system in here. Now that is cool.
It looks pink everywhere. Because I wear these glasses. When we wear these kind of glasses, it makes, when you take them off, everything looks, it doesn't look a lot pink. If you wear them for hours, then it will turn very pink.
Yeah, whatever she said. So just seeing the kids' reactions makes it like all worth it. We're gonna go pick Logan up. What are you doing?
I was riding my skateboard.
You ready?
You have to get my stuff from inside.
Did you know I did that?
No, did you put the wheels on?
No, I was waiting for you to do all that.
Wait, can we do the wheels when we get home?
We're gonna do them this weekend.
But, like, today?
You want to put these wheels on so bad. So I was telling everybody that you said that you were going to change the oil.
Yeah, I want to do it.
You know how? How do you know?
I watch videos. You have to like drain it, and then you take off like this filter. You like put some stuff in it, and then you put it back on, and then you like put the oil in it.
It does have like this felt type of material. What do you think?
It's very you.
Very me.
You're gonna carry all your little mini cars around.
Get stuck in traffic, I got something to do. Or if I get lost, I can always look at the map. Let us know what you guys think of the headliner. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video, you will enjoy the video where I gave myself a $1,000 budget, but according to Laura, it was a $52 budget.
Are you gonna advertise your headliner install company?
My headliner install company? I could do that. If anybody needs a new headliner installed, hit your boy up right here. I can take care of that for you. You want to wrap this up, hon?
Hope you guys liked the video and the new headliner.
See you guys in the next video. Peace.